Hello everybody. Let us have a look at technical view on the equity market. Nifty opened gap down today and suffered sharp sell off today. The global cues acted as a catalyst on the way down. So as a result, Nifty has broken its 20 daily simple moving average and has fallen towards its 40 daily exponential moving average. Overall, Delhi chart shows that at Delhi upper Bollinger Band, Nifty form a bearish outside bar as well as an engulfing bear candle. And as a follow through, the benchmark index is falling since last 4 sessions. Immediate support is now near 40-day exponential moving average, which is close to 5940, and once that is broken, Nifty can fall down towards its Delhi lower Bollinger Band as well as near 20-week simple moving average, which are near 5870, 5860 levels. So that will be our short-term target. And on the upside, 20 DMA, which is close to 6040, and today's high, which is around 6080, will now act as crucial resistances. Delhi momentum indicator is in bearish mode and suggests further downside potential. Moving on to hourly chart, we can see that on hourly chart it formed an expanding ending pattern and has broken out on the downside. And in today's session, it has broken lower end of the pattern. The hourly momentum indicator is in line with the price fall, so we expect further selling in sessions to come. Moving on to Bank Nifty, we can see that Bank Nifty is also falling since last 4 sessions, and it has also broken its 20 daily simple moving average. Overall, it has broken its medium term rising trend line and has posted a close below that as well. So even in case of Bank Nifty, 40 DMA and Delhi lower Bollinger Band will be the short term targets. Delhi momentum indicator is in bearish mode. Crucial supports are 12,400 and 12,150, and crucial resistances are 12,700 and 12,900. We'll now have a look at a couple of stocks that are looking bearish from short to medium term perspective. And the first one is PNB. PNB has done a channelized pullback. In its recent move, it has fallen from upper channel line towards the lower channel line and is on the verge of a bearish breakout. It has posted a close below its crucial daily moving averages, and the daily momentum indicator has given a fresh sell signal. So all these signs suggest that PNB is a good short at current level, and there will be significant downside potential in this particular stock. Crucial supports are 730 and 680, and crucial resistances are 788 and 806. The next one is BHEL. The structure is more or less similar, that is, it has also done a channelized pullback and has fallen from upper channel line towards the lower channel line and is on the verge of a breakout. However, in case of BHEL, Delhi momentum indicator is yet to give a bearish crossover. Nevertheless, overall, the technical observations suggest that the stock is poised for a significant downside, and one can initiate fresh short position at this level. Crucial supports are 191 and 174, and crucial resistances are 202 and 208. Thank you.